3 easy ways to 10x your Bitcoin and Ether in October. Whether crypto is now on the path towards recovery or faces a wintry Septembear, you can still make a profit from your digital currency relatively easily. Here are a few low-effort, high-return methods for investing your crypto assets, and ensuring they aren't just sitting idle while you wait for the market to bounce back. Benefit from automated arbitrage. One of the simplest ways to generate a profit from your digital assets is by using an automated trading system, and the safest strategy you can implement is crypto arbitrage, since it makes money in whichever direction the market moves. One of the most reputable established arbitrage systems on the market is offered by Arbismart, an EU-authorized financial services ecosystem, fueled by the RBIS token. Arbismart's automated crypto arbitrage system offers consistent profits of up to 45% a year, from temporary price disparities, short periods during which a digital asset will be available at different prices simultaneously. With multiple possible causes, such as disparities in trading volume between bigger exchanges and smaller ones, price differences occur just as regularly in upturns and downturns, making a crypto arbitrage investment strategy a solid hedge against crashing prices. The investor just deposits funds and that's it. The automated system then converts the funds into RBIS and uses them for arbitrage trading. It scans a huge array of assets across 35 exchanges, 24 hours a day, looking for price differences. It then purchases the asset wherever the price is lowest, before immediately selling it on whichever exchange offers the highest price to make a profit on the spread. Open a savings plan. An interest-bearing wallet is another great way to make a profit from your crypto with minimal effort, risk, or market knowledge, whichever direction the market is moving. We can one more use the Arbismart project as an example, as it recently launched an interest-bearing wallet, which offers secure storage and rates of up to 147% a year, regardless of whether crypto is in a bull or bear trend. The wallet, which was introduced in July, supports 25 fiat and cryptocurrencies. It offers short-term plans, where funds are locked, for brief stretches of 1 or 3 months, as well as long-term plans with contracts expiring after 2, 3, or 5 years. The longer the lock on the funds, the higher the interest rate. While daily interest can be automatically paid out to a separate balance where it is accessible at any time, wallet holders can get a better return by having the interest added directly to the locked savings balance, alongside the capital on which it was earned. The main factor deciding how much interest a wallet holder earns is their account level, which is determined by how much RBIS they own. Whether the savings balance is in BTC, USD, or any other popular fiat or cryptocurrency, the interest rate on the plan will be higher the more RBIS the wallet owner holds. Balances in RBIS make 3 times higher profits than balances in every other supported currency. Though, if the balance is kept in Ethereum, Coin, or Euro, the savings plan can still earn a better profit if the interest is received in RBIS. Buyer coin analysts expect to explode. Much of the news about the crypto market over the past year has been quite bleak, but there have been some bright spots. So, why do certain coins have greater revenue potential in falling markets? Well, we have already seen that the Arbismart project offers an attractive haven for crypto owners in a bear run, generating steady, predictable profits, whichever direction the market is heading. As the new wallet finds its footing and builds its user base, increasing token demand, more RBIS will be locked in savings plans and taken out of general circulation, diminishing the already finite token supply, and pushing up the price. It is also critical to note that over the next 4 months, Arbismart will be introducing a series of new utilities, all of which will require the use of RBIS and will drive the token price even higher. These include a mobile application, an NFT marketplace, a collection of original Arbismart NFTs, a professional cryptocurrency exchange, a play-to-earn gaming metaverse, and a decentralized yield farming service, which will offer unique gamification features and will reward liquidity providers with up to 190,000% AP plus 0.3% of the fees from every trade. All these RBIS utilities will be interlinked, and the use of each additional Arbismart service will lead to even more preferential terms. For example, buying an NFT in the marketplace can deliver a higher AP for yield farmers, while also serving as a score-boosting in-game item in the metaverse. As the Arbismart interest-generating wallet and financial services ecosystem expand, more RBIS utilities are added and demand begins to exceed supply, the price is set to soar. It is therefore unsurprising that analysts have projected that Arbismart's RBIS token will rise to 70 times the current value by Q1, 2023. To start earning generous profits on your Bitcoin and other assets, in all types of market conditions, open an interest-generating wallet today. Disclaimer: all the information contained on our website is published in good faith and for general information purposes only. Any action the reader takes upon the information found on our website is strictly at their own risk.